Alden with short update. Ang gwapo pa nga ni Alden sa kanyang outfit. And during parangal ng sine, kusang host si Alden. At may picture din sila ni Miss Ami Perez niya sa backstage. Yun, no? Galing ni Alden mag-host eh. Yan yung video. Si Alden.
Puno ng sine na gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nagkakaroon po ako na makapiling kayo ngayong gabi. And allow me to personally welcome you to the second annual Parangal ng Sine, brought to you by the Film Development Council of the Philippines. Wow, so many familiar faces here tonight. And looking around the ballroom, I must commend everyone for looking so dapper and lovely in your black and white formal. Actually, our theme this evening is a look back to the glory days of the original film studios like LBN and Sampaguita Pictures, who were the ones responsible for all the classic black and white movies that filled the silver screen at that time. Tonight, we honor distinguished individuals and esteemed organizations whose contributions have greatly impacted the Philippine film industry for the better.
Komentari sila. Kasama ni Alden, performer din. Umagang kay ganda. Alden Richard nag-host at nakipagkanta sa parangal ng sine. Nakaiwas sa mga reporter at nag-photo. Nakaiwas si Alden. Nagkala mo yung tatanong si Alden. Nakaiwas si Alden sa reporter eh. Kasi alam na itatanong kay Alden eh. Ang galing niya Alden mag-host eh. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update po ang Nature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.